Shaky problem. The people of Shakerville need my help to build 2 earthquake-proof structures. And they at least need to be 2 stories high. So the materials I would be using is going to be toothpicks with clay balls, styrofoam, straws, and K'NEX pieces from the K'NEX roller coaster. Oh, whoopsie. I broke the structure. It fell apart. Toothpicks and clay balls wasn't such a good idea. So again, the structure and working with clay and toothpicks isn't that helpful, and it's wiggly, doesn't be stable that much. As you see, it's falling all apart. I'm gonna try to build it again. You stick them in like lollipops. It seems to be easier than the square pre-made. Okay, there's the tooth structure. Now, just need to fix this. And it's not that wobbly now as it was before. But that I started to work with the K'NEX cube, and it's way easier than trying to build that over there. Even though I'm still figuring out how to put all of the pieces together. I think that's how it goes. Just put that in right there. And just stick it on right there. Just like that. And we almost got our second structure. Okay, now I need to build the second piece if there's any gray pieces left. Just try to get this off. Need to go get more gray pieces. Okay. I got 2 extra gray pieces, and I think it went like this. How did this go? I think it went like this. Now I need another gray thingy.
That's a little long. Maybe switch to red.
Oh, whoops. take off gray. Blue is too short. We need red. And then I need more of the gray. Okay, I'm adding these base beams for structure so it's not so wiggly. And stick that in, but it looks like this piece is too long. Unless this thing, I think that needs to be these need to be gray pieces. The red pieces are making it just need to get this red piece off. And use gray pieces. That's a little too long. This doesn't fit anywhere. I found these little new connecting structures things that helped make it a little bit longer. And there's the second floor. Now I need to add these base beam things, which cross base beam things. And one on. Try and fit this in. Doesn't look like it wants to fit. It's got a stable structure and it can bend and shift, so I think it might be good for earthquakes. Couldn't even stand up for most of the time, not let alone an earthquake. And I also made this cat hotel with it's 2 stories high, and I used plastic straws, metal straws, chopsticks, and styrofoam for that. And this one is completely finished. It has 3 stories. Has this up the top that looks kind of like cat claws, and this one's a skinnier part. This one perfectly good. And test them. Whoa. That one's not very good. These 2 really stayed up very well, and that one probably wouldn't even work. Or crazy earthquake is predicted to hit. put grass here so it wouldn't be as slippery on the foundation. So let's test it out. Oh. Okay, so it looks like the structures were very stable and they didn't fall over. So